going to discuss how to use the White Balance Selector Switch on the JVC and why using it in your shoot can make things easier. The White Balance Switch will allow you to store white balancing values so you can easily recall them. If you are unsure what white balancing is, check out the video How to White Balance the Camera. The White Balance Switch has three settings: B, A, and Preset. The preset is the pre-programmed color temperature set in the camera's menu, and it usually defaults to 5600K. You cannot white balance the camera when the switch is on preset. To get a proper white balance, you should re-white balance every time the lighting changes. Sometimes going from one room to another will throw off the white balance. Your shoot might be in two locations, for example, inside and outside. If you place the white balance switch to B and white balance the camera, that white balance value is stored in B. If your location changes and you need to re-white balance, set the switch to A and white balance the camera. The value is stored in A. If you go back and forth between these locations, you can use the A-B setting to switch between the two stored white balance settings. If you have more questions, please feel free to contact us at techservices@mc3.edu or by phone at 215-641-6477.